How to fix Binance app won't open on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you guys how you can fix Binance app won't open on your Android. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we're releasing a new video. Now let's begin. So if your Binance app is not opening at all and it crashes, or if that's the case, that might be an app issue. Else, if your Binance is opening up but it's not loading anything, that can be a Wi-Fi or network related issue. If it's the second one, simply swipe down from the top and just connect to a better internet. You can also turn on your mobile data for some time to use your Binance. Now moving on to the first problem, which your Binance app is not working at all. What we'll need to do is first locate your settings app, then tap on it. After you're on your settings, go to apps. On apps, you will need to search for Binance. Now if you don't find Binance, tap on see all apps. From here, search for Binance. After you locate Binance, open it up. And from here, you will need to head over to storage and cache. What we'll do here is we'll clear out our Binance cache. Tap on clear cache. And after clearing the cache, you can try to open up your Binance. Locate the app and open it up. So after clearing the cache, if your app opens up, that's great. It's now it should work. If not, if it's still giving you an issue, you will need to check for any updates. So go to your Google Play Store, search for Binance. After you search for Binance, if you find any updates available, if you see an update option here, tap on update and update your app. Since updates usually come with bug fixes and performance improvements, which should fix the glitches or issue that you have in your Binance, and that should fix your problem. If not, what you'll need to do is you'll need to reinstall the app. So from here, you can directly uninstall by tapping on it, uninstall from your Google Play Store. If not, you can just go to your settings and go to apps and go to Binance again. On your Binance, you'll find the uninstall button. Tap on it, tap on OK, and uninstall the app. After you uninstall it, install it back again, and that will fix the problem. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.